Good morning to the Bakle here at the Gabaldon building. So the Bakle is actually a Thanksgiving rite. So it is normally it should be done after the harvest, after the tuldag, when the rice bundles are thrown into the granary. So the people believe that we have to do an activity to thank the giver of the rice, the Maknungan. So during the Bakle, we have to pound rice and make rice cake. But before we do that, we still have to do the Baki. So this is a prayer actually, which is a series of thanksgiving to our Maknungan, who was introduced the agricultural rice activity here in Ifugao. Aside from that, during the Bakle, we have to butcher chicken, the sacrificial animals, because we offer the blood to our Maknungan. So the people should start pounding already the rice to make it into flour early in the morning, while the Baki is being done under the granary. And then everybody shall partake in lunch after the Baki. Then everybody shall partake in the rice cake. Some may even bring them home. There is merrymaking. There is drinking until everybody is fully satisfied. So that's the Ifugao Bakle. Thanksgiving is part of the Hongan Dipage, or the Thanksgiving for the rice.